Last week, I had to perform emergency surgery on Max, a 3-year-old golden retriever. His loving family didn't know that their simple daily routine was slowly killing him. The culprit? Walking him right after meals. Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Dench. After nearly 20 years as a veterinarian, I've seen too many preventable emergencies. Today, I'm sharing 10 critical tips that could save your dog's life. Tips I wish every pet parent knew before they ended up in my emergency room. From hidden household dangers to seemingly innocent habits that could harm your furry friend, these aren't just tips, they're vital knowledge that could mean the difference between life and death for your beloved pet. Let's start with the daily routines that could be putting your pet at risk. Number 1. Consistent exercise. The first life-saving tip you need to remember is to ensure your pet gets regular exercise. Take Bella, a young border collie who started gaining weight and acting out, chewing furniture and barking excessively. Her family couldn't figure out what was wrong until they realized her daily routine didn't include enough exercise to burn her energy and keep her mind engaged. Regular exercise is vital to your dog's health, preventing issues like obesity, joint problems, and even behavioral challenges from boredom. Studies show that insufficient activity increases the risk of chronic diseases and lowers a dog's quality of life. The key here is tailoring exercise to meet your pet's specific needs. High-energy breeds like border collies or Siberian huskies thrive on intense physical engagement, while puppies benefit from shorter, controlled sessions to protect their growing joints. Even dogs with chronic conditions, such as heart or respiratory issues, need gentle activity, and your veterinarian can help design a plan that's safe for them. Don't overlook mental stimulation either. Interactive games and training can improve your dog's emotional well-being while keeping them sharp. Since Bella's family introduced 2 brisk walks a day and puzzle toys for mental engagement, she's back to her happy, playful self. Small changes truly can make a big difference. Tip number 2, hydration is essential. Hydration is vital for keeping your dog healthy and thriving, but how much water is enough? I remember Coco, a lively Cocker Spaniel whose owner noticed she was unusually tired and panting heavily during walks. Coco had been playing outside during a heat wave, but her owner hadn't realised her water intake wasn't keeping up with the hotter weather. By the time she brought Coco to the vet, she was severely dehydrated and needed IV fluids to help her recover. Like Coco, dogs rely on water for essential functions like digestion, temperature regulation, joint lubrication, and maintaining their healthy coat. On average, dogs require at least 1 ounce of water per pound of body weight every day. For example, a 10-pound dog should drink at least 10 ounces of water a day. But this need increases during hot weather or if they're undergoing high activity. Larger breeds, thick-coated dogs, pregnant and lactating dogs all require more water due to their physiological needs. Dehydration is a serious risk, potentially leading to organ damage or even death. Watch for warning signs like lethargy, dry or sticky gums, a dry nose, excessive panting, or reduced urination. If you're unsure whether your dog is getting enough water, monitor their water intake or use a dog hydration calculator for precision. To ensure your dog stays hydrated, make it easy for them. Put water bowls in multiple areas of your home. Offer frozen treats for a fun way to stay cool, and always carry water and a collapsible bowl during walks or outdoor activities. Tip number 3. Avoid walking your dog right after meals. This is a really common mistake that most pet parents make. It might seem like an after-dinner walk is healthy, but it can actually have fatal consequences. Remember Max I mentioned earlier? He nearly died from bloat after a post-dinner walk. His mum Sarah thought she was being a good pet parent by walking Max after meals, just like most humans are told to do. But here's what happens in your dog's body when they exercise on a full stomach. Their stomach can twist on itself, a dangerous condition called gastric dilation and volvulus, or GDV. This traps air, food, and gas inside, causing severe swelling that puts pressure on vital organs and blocks the blood flow. If untreated, it can quickly lead to shock, collapse, and even death, especially in large, deep-chested breeds. Instead, wait for at least 2 hours after meals before you go for a walk. It's that simple. Last month, Sarah told me that Max is thriving with their new schedule, proof that these small changes can make a difference. Moving on from daily habits, there are other important factors that affect your dog's physical health. You need to keep these on your radar. Number 4, diet matters more than you think. The food you choose for your dog can be the foundation for a longer, healthier life. I once worked with Charlie, a 7-year-old Labrador who came into the clinic with dull fur, frequent infections and low energy. His owner, Rachel, was feeding him an unbalanced homemade diet, unaware that it wasn't meeting his nutritional needs. After switching Charlie to a high-quality balanced diet with the right nutrients, his energy levels soared, his coat gleamed, and his health dramatically improved. A balanced diet strengthens your dog's immune system, making them less prone to infections, while providing the energy they need and promoting healthy digestion, skin, and coat. Tailor their diet to their age, size, and lifestyle to meet their unique needs, and avoid overfeeding to prevent obesity, which is a major contributor to joint problems and other health issues. Supplements can also support your dog's health. Fish oils, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promote neurological development in puppies, reduce inflammation, and help dogs with arthritis. Supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin can improve joint health, while antioxidants like coenzyme Q10 can counteract aging effects by cleaning up free radicals. Our Primal Vitality Beef Organ Topper is my favourite recommendation, as it's got the perfect balance of vitamins from real organ sources. Always consult your vet before adding supplements to your dog's diet, and choose products from reputable brands. Finally, be cautious with human foods. While some are safe in moderation, never feed your dog garlic, onions, chocolate, xylitol, or grapes, as these are all toxic. Rachel's proactive approach transformed Charlie's life, and with the right diet, you can help your dog thrive too. Number 5. Dental care is a must. Dental health is about more than just fresh breath. It's vital for your dog's overall well-being. I once treated Daisy, a 6-year-old beagle who came to the clinic with bad breath and swollen gums. Her owner thought these were just minor nuisances until Daisy stopped eating due to pain. A dental exam revealed advanced periodontal disease, which was starting to affect her overall health. After treatment and a new dental care routine, Daisy made a full recovery and became her playful, energetic self again. Over 80% of dogs over 3 years old suffer from some form of dental disease, with periodontal disease being the most common. Left untreated, dental issues cause pain and bad breath and inflamed gums, but the consequences don't stop there. Studies from the World Small Animal Veterinary Association have linked poor dental health to cardiovascular conditions like endocarditis. This happens when bacteria from the mouth enter the bloodstream and end up causing heart infections, kidney damage, or even jaw fractures. The good news? Dental disease is preventable with consistent care. Brushing your dog's teeth, using antibacterial rinses or water additives, and providing dental chew toys can go a long way to maintaining oral health. Don't forget annual dental checkups with your veterinarian. These are essential for catching problems early. Since starting Daisy on a proper dental care routine, her owner has noticed a happier, healthier dog. Number 6. Regular vet checkups are essential. Regular vet checks are one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to help your dog live a longer, healthier life. Countless dogs come into clinics every year with issues that could have been caught earlier during routine exams. I'm talking about arthritis, kidney disease, and even cancer, which are only detected when the symptoms have progressed significantly. Dogs are masters at hiding pain and discomfort, making these annual visits essential for catching problems early. Wellness exams also ensure that your dog stays up to date on vaccinations and preventatives like parasite control, which are vital to protect them from serious illnesses. Beyond medical care, regular checkups build a bond between your dog and their vet, making the visits less stressful over time. Puppies and senior dogs who have unique health needs benefit from more frequent checkups. These exams are a simple way to give your pet the best chance at a long, happy, and healthy life. Tip number 7. Watch out for toxic household items. Keeping your dog safe from toxic household items is a crucial step towards ensuring a longer, healthier life. I remember Milo, a curious dachshund who had ingested laundry detergent pods that were left on a low shelf. His owner thought they were safely out of reach, but Milo somehow managed to chew through the packaging. By the time he reached the clinic, he was drooling excessively, vomiting, and showing signs of distress. Thankfully, with prompt treatment, Milo recovered, but it was a scary reminder of how quickly accidents can happen. Pet-proofing your home is essential to prevent incidents like Milo's. Store toxic items, including cleaning agents, medications and pesticides, in tightly sealed containers placed in high cabinets. After using cleaning products, rinse everything thoroughly to remove any harmful residues. Also remember that common household plants like lilies, hibiscus and aloe vera can be dangerous if they're ingested. These also need to stay out of your pet's reach or just avoid having them altogether. Finally, training your dog to leave certain items alone or stay out of specific areas of the home can add an extra layer of safety. Milo's owner has since taken these precautions and ensured that their home is a safer space. A little prevention goes a long way in protecting your dog and giving you peace of mind. Now that we've covered your dog's physical health, let's talk about something equally crucial: their mental well-being. Number 8. Socialization is key for mental health. Socialization is a cornerstone of raising a well-rounded, happy dog. I remember a young German Shepherd, Luna, who was brought to the clinic because she was terrified of strangers and new environments. Her owner admitted she hadn't been properly socialized as a puppy, which led to anxiety and reactive behaviors as she grew older. It took months of patient training and gradual exposure to help Luna feel more confident. Socialization involves introducing your dog to new people, places and experiences, ideally starting between 3 and 12 weeks of age. This early exposure helps build confidence and teaches your dog how to cope with unfamiliar situations, reducing the likelihood of stress, anxiety, and behavioral issues like aggression. For older dogs, or those with health concerns, always consult your veterinarian before starting a socialization plan to ensure it's safe. Whether it's meeting new people, walking in different environments, or encountering other dogs, socialization helps your pet thrive. With consistent effort, even dogs like Luna can overcome these early challenges, proving that it's never too late to start working on their confidence. Tip number 9. Anxiety issues and how to address them naturally. Did you know that 10 to 14% of dogs suffer from anxiety related to separation from their owners? Other triggers like loud noises, car rides, or even aging can also cause anxiety, leading to behavioral problems and health issues. Chronic anxiety weakens a dog's immune system and contributes to gastrointestinal and cardiovascular problems. It can even reduce their lifespan. In fact, studies show that dogs with stranger-directed fear tend to have significantly shorter lifespans than those without. Fortunately, anxiety can be managed with natural vet-approved remedies like Happy Forever CBD Full Spectrum Oil. Known for its calming effects, CBD reduces stress and anxiety without causing sedation, so it helps your dogs relax naturally. It's also versatile and suitable for all breeds, making it an excellent addition to other anxiety treatments. Beyond its anti-anxiety benefits, studies also indicate that CBD may improve sleep quality, reduce inflammation, and ease pain for dogs with osteoarthritis. Remember, every dog is unique, so it's important to talk to your vet before introducing CBD oil into their routine. With the right approach, managing anxiety can help your dog live a happier, healthier, and longer life. Tip number 10. Provide a safe space during high-stress events. Just like people, dogs can experience stress triggered by loud noises, unfamiliar people, or new pets in the home. I once worked with Rocky, a nervous rescue dog who would panic during thunderstorms. His owner, Megan, noticed that he would pace, whine and hide in random corners of the house, unable to settle. The stress was clearly taking a toll on Rocky's health and behaviour, so Megan and I worked together to create a safe space for him. Chronic stress like Rocky's can weaken a dog's immune system through prolonged cortisol release, making them more vulnerable to illness. To help him feel secure, Megan set up a cosy crate in a quiet corner of her home. She lined it with blankets and soundproofed the area with heavy curtains. She also used a white noise machine during storms to mask the thunder. Over time, Megan taught Rocky to retreat to his safe zone by rewarding him whenever he used it during stressful moments. Today, Rocky no longer paces or panics when the storms roll in. Instead, he heads straight to his calm, comfortable space to ride out the noise, proving that a little planning can make a big difference in reducing stress for your pet. Remember Max from the beginning? He made a full recovery, and his family now has these life-saving tips posted on their fridge. Feel free to do the same. So which of these tips surprised you the most? Let me me know in the comments below or ask me some of your burning questions. And for those of you concerned about your pet's anxiety or pain, I recommend trying our Happy Forever CBD series. They're specifically formulated to help your furry friend live their best life. Don't wait for an emergency to make changes. Your pet's life could depend on the decisions you make today. And if you want more pet care secrets, click the video in the top right corner next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.